Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm just gonna be shooting off on a fire this time instead of my normal. Do not know what Dynasty Monsters or Dawn of Fire is, and you're crazy. It's the game where you just get monsters, get data, everything. Like this little cutie. I didn't even choose the name, and I love him. I'm just gonna be asking y'all a question if you want to see other videos of this. You want me to teleport a monster to Space Island? Probably he'll be a little chubby. Because I already got Togepi. Just gonna show you. That's it. No other monsters on any other islands but DW. Yeah, I kinda suck. So I'm gonna be trying to really make Joby evolve in another video. No cave island due to the fact of it being a level freaking 20. Joey declines almost everything, and at least he's a level 10. Oh, I think I could try soon. Anyways, enter in case y'all want to try. I am somehow the detail. I'm TP5 FJZ C9. The monster picture will be. This is a hard one. Fangler, because it looks like that. Because I ditched him 2 months ago. Now I'm apples and cream. You'll know that's me if you have apples and cream. Anyways, you can put in your friend codes in the comments as well. Would you rather? Want me to rename my Quibble? Or rename Mammoth? Because I don't think that names are good, even though I might make them separate. Like change Pango to Sapphire and change Jaina to Ruby. Name them after Steven Universe characters. Y'all can help me. Find ways to get more diamonds in any other way except money with those freaking old ads. I will give you a medium request. Anyways, that's all for now. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.